Hey guys, it's Karen Merrow. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over 5 side hustle ideas. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and how to have freedom and choices to do what you love. And if those are topics of interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. And if you're returning to the channel, thank you. I appreciate you guys. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. Again, we're talking about 5 side hustle ideas, easy ways to make money fast from home. Some of these I've done, some of these I have not. The first one I've done is Facebook Marketplace. You can sell items from your home, or you can buy things at a garage sale and sell it for a profit. Anything that I've sold on Facebook Marketplace, it's sold very fast. I've sold like a stove and some other exercise equipment. I mean, it just goes like really fast. It's easy to do. You just go to your Facebook page and you click on create, and then you'll go down to Marketplace listing. And then you just click on what you have for sale. You can go through here and see that people sell like everything. You can sell anything on here. So it's just a great way to make extra money. So that's the first one. The second one is to walk dogs at WAG. Now, I have a friend, and I verified with her that she does this full time. Okay, she loves dogs, and she just loves to be out in nature. So I wanted to find out, if she did it full time and how much money she makes. So I was asking her about it on Facebook today, and she said she works through WAG, and she makes $19 plus a tip, and works about 30 hours a week. Plus she does pet sitting during the week and on the weekends, and then that's more hours and more money. So I asked her, how long does it take you to walk a dog? And she said it could be 20 minutes, 30 minutes, maybe an hour. But still, even if $19 an hour isn't that bad, and you're working with animals, if you love animals, this is a great way to make extra money. So you just go here, start your application at wagwalking.com. That's number 2. Number 3 is called Roadie, and this is where you're a delivery driver for different things that need to be delivered. So basically, let's see, it says a side hustle, and it's the most flexible way to earn money in the gig economy. So whether you're driving local or long haul, it makes it easy to earn cash and rewards. So let's see, they had said down here how much you get paid. So you can earn up to $60 on local gigs and up to $650 on long haul deliveries. Like, let's say somebody needs their pet moved, they're moving somewhere and they need you to haul them. So that may be a long haul delivery, and you'll know what you're earning before you drive the delivery. And it's a great way to make money from home. So that's number 3. Number 4, of course, you've heard about being an Uber driver. My husband is a retired teacher, and he does this on the side. So he works in the evenings and on the weekends. And we live in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, so he's able to take people to the airport, which is good. We live near TCC, so a lot of college students use Uber. But just an idea that you may not have thought about, that I read one time in a book that this Uber driver in New York City was doing. He had jewelry that he was selling, and he didn't say anything to the passengers, to his customers, but he had them displayed in his car. And it turns out that he made more money selling jewelry than he did driving Uber. So that's just an idea for you. If you have some products that you may want to sell, like let's say you have a network marketing company and there's certain products you may want to sell, you can make some sort of display in your car, and you don't have to say anything to them, but what this person who sold the jewelry said, that they just saw them and they were interested, and so then he would sell his jewelry that way. So that's an idea. Also, even if you're not an Uber driver, chances are you know somebody who drives Uber, you could ask them if they would display your items in their car, and then they could get a cut of it. Just, you could work something out with them. So that's number 4. And number 5 is to become a host at Airbnb. So you go to airbnb.com and click on host, and here it says, I live in Arlington, so earn up to $14.62 a month hosting in Arlington. Just an idea is, if you have, you wouldn't have to do this every weekend, but you have family in the area that you could go stay at their house for the weekend, and you could rent out your house for the weekend for Airbnb. So let's say maybe you rented it out for $150 a night. If you had lived in a place where it was a popular place to stay, you may make, let's say, $300 on a weekend, maybe $1,200 a month. So that's number 5 on how to make money from home. Some side hustle ideas. And I wanted to mention to you too that even though you can make extra money, it depends on what you do with that money. Okay, let's say you make an extra $1,000 a month. My recommendation, rather than, of course you want to pay things off that you need to pay off, or use it to make ends meet, but if you are wise with what you do with your money and make your money grow for you, that will be something that can earn you money in the long run by investing your money. And I'm not going to talk about investing, but I'm going to talk about a book that has been very influential in my life. And I buy this book for a lot of people that I know that are graduating, because when you start at a young age, the power of compound interest is just, it's mind-boggling when you look at the numbers. But this book, Flipping Burgers to Flipping Millions, is written by a gentleman who, for some reason or other, just loved working at McDonald's, and he wanted to learn everything he could about McDonald's. He worked his way up to become a manager, and with a manager's salary, he was able to earn $1 million by what he did with his money. And he talks about the different ways that you can invest, and how, starting from a young age, with your money working for you, you can amass a great fortune, even on just a regular salary. So I want to share that with you. I'm going to leave a link below in the description of this video that you can get this book. It's very, very good information. And again, you can, by having your money work for you, then you don't have to go out and work so hard. But I just wanted to share with you these 5 side hustle ideas so that you can have ways that you can make extra money from home and just have a little bit more left over at the end of the month to make ends meet. And if you're interested in learning how to make money online, I'm going to leave a link below this video to my number 1 recommendation on how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch, from start to finish. And if you want to go ahead and check that out, I'm going to leave that down there as well. So if you found value from this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye now.